California dreaming about you.
Hey guys, SimCoder here, and today this video will be just to do an announcement, which is I've been working on my website, the simcoder.com website, and the reason is because I made a poll on Twitter to ask you guys if you felt the need to have a forum where you could just gather all the questions that people have for the series, Uber, Tinder, Snapchat, and the series to come, so that we have all the questions in one place and you can quickly search for those questions. And so I've been working on that forum, and as you can see the page, if you knew the first one, it is a bit different. I believe it looks better. So let's go inside forum, and in here you'll have a bunch of boards that you can go in and ask questions, and hopefully not only me but people around you will be able to answer. So yeah, I placed a random board here just for if you want to go all in, then do. So yeah, but the main one will be this one, the projects, and in here we'll always have a forum for each and every single series. So if you have a question on Uber, for example, then simply go on Uber, and it is loading, okay, and add a topic here with your question. But first of all, please do search for your question here, to write in a keyword that you believe is relevant to that page, and see if it is already answered within the forum. So yeah, you will be able to update your profile with wherever you want. You'll be able to put avatars. You'll be able to do every single thing that you can possibly want. So yeah, that's all that I wanted you guys to know. I already made changes to the contact page, so for now on I'll be stop answering questions on the email. I'll be trying to focus them on the forum. So the contacts now, it's only for business queries and things like that. But yeah, feel free to go into the forum and create an account and type in your first port with any question that you want, or just go on the random forum and just go to town on it. So yeah, that's all I wanted you guys to know. So yeah, go ahead and try it out, see if you like it, and let me know what you think about it. So that's all for now. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope to see you again tomorrow, and ciao!